What's up, my Amours? It's your girl MimiAmouri, and I'm back, y'all, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, we are in Puerto Rico. We're doing a travel vlog. So I'm basically just ready to go eat right now, and I'm just waiting on my sister to finish getting ready. Then we're gonna go get some breakfast. We got here last night. I'll tell you about that in a second. But here we are here finally. It is 9:50, and the place that we're going is supposed to be really busy, so we're trying to hurry up and go there before the crowd comes, and then we can go do whatever else we gotta do instead of having breakfast on the side. So we got here at 1 o'clock last night, and probably didn't go to sleep till about 4. So we're running off a couple hours of sleep and starving. All right, so we're leaving the hotel now. We're about to go to breakfast. Y'all, we got here at 1 o'clock last night, and I don't know what possessed us to ride right here. But yeah, we're not doing that on the way back because that was just too uncomfortable. The parking brake wouldn't go off. The car was making noises.
It was raggedy.
It was we didn't even get two inches and had to turn back around. Then while we waiting, I decided to look up the hotel that we booked. And why was it an hour and 40 minutes away from where we was at, which was 5 minutes from the airport. So we decided to try to find another hotel in the middle of the night.
That was horrible.
It definitely was. We went to like 3 different hotels and ended up at this one. And we are at Isla SanJuan,
Which is really nice.
It is nice.
Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style,
Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh. All right, so we're back. It's much later. Went and changed. All right, so we are at Shibo. It is like a Korean restaurant. I was Latin Asian mix. It's real aesthetically pleasing in here. I don't know about outside, but it is inside. So right now we're waiting on our drinks and looking at the menu. She ordered, what she ordered? What kind of dumpling?
I don't know, but it's dumplings.
She ordered a fufu dumplings. That's all I remember. It's a fufu. So we just made it back to the room. Shibo was cool. I really like my drink. What did I get? I got the, I don't remember, but I'll probably insert a picture and the name if I can get it back. And then I got the ramen. It was pretty cool. Like I said before, I didn't feel the best tonight, but if I did, I would have ate everything on that menu because it was looking so good. And the vibe in there was pretty cool and laid back. Pretty much today, everything that we ate was pretty good and tasty. And I'm about to get ready to lie it down and get ready because tomorrow we have to get up so early to do exercise to do the rainforest. But it's a hike that they got me scared of now because they're talking about 1,000 calories. Sounds like a long time to be walking. And that was funny is I picked the one that said no hike and we still ended up on the hike. I don't know how that happened, But I will check back in with y'all in the morning. With the water sports, we're still hiking down this crazy ass path, y'all. This shit is crazy. Like, they said we could wear water shoes, but I should have got the ones with super grip at the bottom, because these rocks, but I ain't gonna lie, y'all, that shit was fun as fuck. That was probably, it was fun as fuck though. I give it a 9 out of 10 because of this hike that I'm about to do down here. I'll show y'all. Okay, I'm back, y'all. We just came up from the hotel and we are now at the Miramarfood park. We about to go to beach after this, so we're literally just getting some food to go, and then we're gonna head to the beach. This is the food from the food truck. I got, I don't even remember what this is called, but it was like a chimichurri sausage and a lobster roll, and this is like a shrimp. It's grilled shrimp Old Bay. It's like a shrimp lobster roll, fries. And I got some cod fritters, and then some of my sister's mac and cheese that she got. She got some mac and cheese, and we're at the beach now. I think I said I was at the beach, but that's where we went after. So now we're here. I'm tired as hell, so it'll take me like, oh. But I'm in the water now, y'all. Finished my nap, and it was lovely. Now I'm in the water, and the view is awesome. I am really digging it. Today probably is the best day so far out of all the days we had. And then I'm about to go though. I just had to get in the water real quick before I finished. Before we left, y'all, because it was just too good not to. But we about to go back to the hotel and get ready for the day. My fit for the day, I wore this little bikini from my swimsuit line that I had. But this is the outfit, and I'm about to be at the beach now. And go ahead, get our stuff together. What is this? What is this called again? La Primavera. It's Thomas for me, baby. Feedback on the food. First of all, feedback on the service. That's a 3. That was a 4. Get the service a 4.
He's not the guy, really. It's just, I don't know what to do.
I think it's the server. Not the server. I think it's the kitchen. I don't know what the hell
I don't
it is,
think
but
the
they just
kitchen
take
is
too
bad.
long. I don't know what
And
it
the food
is.
is not bad. It's okay. It's good. It's good with it. It's good with a period in it. It's good. It ain't extra good. It's just all right.
I give it a
good.
7.
7's kind of high.
Yeah, I give it a 6. I thought 7 was bad. I feel like 5 is bad. Once I get to 5, I don't even like it. I shouldn't have came.
So the ambiance is good. The ambiance is like an 8.
No, yeah, the ambiance. I give it a 9. I give it
an 8.
Why?
Because there was like a little dip in the flooring when I was walking in. That was kind of scary, and it's by the pool.
Okay, I can give it an 8 too. And then the bathroom wasn't all that either.
Oh, I didn't go to the bathroom, chat.
And there's only one for the girls and the boys.
Oh no, is Sharon the bathroom?
Yeah, one single bathroom.
Oh hell no.
Didn't they do that a lot here? It was like that last night too.
Yeah, I didn't like that either. I don't like sharing the bathroom with him.
Me neither.
Outside ambiance, food in the bathroom. It's about a 8, 9. It'd have been a 10 if it was bigger, for a bigger space.
And if the damn gate was higher.
Yeah, the glass is kind of
low.
Scary.
You gotta scoot over like,
So,
and they got damn wire over there with no glass.
That's scary too.
I was very scared. But the drinks was a 5.
The pina colada that Lewis made was for my first pina colada here in Puerto Rico. It was maybe an 8, 9, because I don't know what a 10 tastes like. No, he did pretty good.
I gave it a 6.5.
It tastes really good.
A 6.5, yeah.
So overall,
I feel like by drink
would I
number
come
2,
back?
you should have a buzz.
I have a buzz.
I don't have one.
I had them put more liquor in my alcohol. I had to send it back.
I need to send mine back too, because
That you didn't have nothing in there either? Cappuccino was done though. They didn't do nothing with that.
I drink it like juice because that's what it tastes like. But
I would not do that. Yeah, send it back.
Yeah, I'm not doing it no more, but I ain't have time. And the service taking so just every time you call them. But I ain't gonna blame the waiter.
Maybe they did a double shift. Maybe don't
The appetizer was really good. We had the avocado ceviche. I liked it. I like ceviche. That's probably why.
I don't like the fact that it was not calamari or
I don't know why you think you're supposed to get a mixed ceviche
or shrimp. Or it was just very plain. It tasted good, but it was just very plain to me.
I liked it. I don't know. I don't know what type of seafood ceviche you be having.
I like ceviche that has variety. I don't like just plain fish, and I don't even know what type of fish it is. It was like a no-name fish. I don't know if it was cod. I don't know if it was swai. I don't know if it was whatever.
I like the appetizer, but not like my food right now.
No, I like my food.
Then my dish was cold. So, for me,
well, if you come get the snapper.
Yeah, get the snapper because you like it.
Oh, I know. Finger all of them. Yeah, get the snapper if you do come.
Because clearly
it's really good. I'm not gonna say really good because I can make this snapper at home.
Yeah.
It's
good for it to
it's
be out of
good.
town. What you mean?
It's okay.
So we are at Isla Verde Beach. Very warm.
All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We didn't really wanna run, just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. When
I did show y'all my food, but this is way better than the conch. This is kind of Puerto Rican. It's like rice, white rice with beans and garlic shrimp. And it's spicy. Still had to add pepper. It's pretty tasty.
Here you have it. I'm sorry for the
Thank you.
Is it everything good with the food? Good.
Taste these beans though. These are probably the best beans I ever had in my life. They got pulled pork in it. You wanted pulled pork so bad. Okay, so after that, we ended up at Los Pinos because Mommy was not happy with her food.
Oh, it was terrible.
It was horrible. Tell them about your food. What it tastes like?
Ammonia.
It tastes like ammonia.
Floor cleaner.
The cleaner stuff that make you nauseous.
Yeah.
So, and then, yeah, they just was not it. And then somebody tell you your food tastes like ammonia, you would think you would do more to take off $4 for the shot that they had. You're supposed to take off, comp their home meal, but we in Puerto Rico, so I guess they want their money. So we ended up here.
So funny.
So we ended up here. Los Pinos. The guy, what's so funny is the guy who was our waiter told us to come here that the food is better. I'm like, damn, I wish we would have asked when we first started out, cause but I ain't gonna lie, my food was good. Really good. So she got, what you just get?
I got ammonia.
No, what you got in here?
I got the seafood mofongo
Oh yeah, she got seafood mofongo.
with garlic butter and strawberry margarita.
Yeah, and I got strawberry margarita too. But we're gonna see how this is. But it does look more like an authentic scene. More locals are here. Way more locals are here than tourist people.
So we will let you know if you need to come to videos after I eat my seafood mofongo. This is the first time I've had mofongo, so I'm glad that I actually came. Because I still haven't had it the entire time I was here.
I'm glad I tried it when I tried it. But we should have Googled somewhere and try like the best mofongo in Puerto Rico.
Crap comes on. They pay those people to put their restaurants first.
No, for real. But let's see how they taste. And then what's so funny is we had drinks. So we went to La Factoria. Now they were 10 out of 10. Y'all, their drinks were by drink number 2, it had it to them real nice.
They're not expensive.
Not expensive at all. In Old SanJuan. And we just had drinks at the next restaurant and it was like, what is this? Like we didn't have the best of the best, so now that was just like trash. So we ordered a margarita. Let's see if it's up to La Factoria or a little closer than what we just had, because they must have watered that down. I feel like I ain't even been drinking.
No, it's like you didn't do anything.
A little money down the
It
drain.
tasted like they gave you a little buzz.
And then they drinks was more expensive.
More
They got the
expensive.
nerve.
More expensive.
Well liquor that they put in there.
The what?
The well liquor. Alright, so we're back to the room. Back to the room. This drink, the review on it, still not bad, man. The Factoria. They put so much syrup in it. I'm literally tasting clumps of syrup.
Mine tastes good.
Mine has so much syrup. You want some syrup? How's your food?
Delicious. I would recommend Los Pinos.
Well, that's the wrap up for the food. About to get ready to go to bed and call it a night. I'll see y'all tomorrow for our last and final hours in Puerto Rico. Good night. Alright, so this is La Factoria. 11 a.m. And we got the 2 popular drinks that they serve, so we're gonna see how it tastes. But the vibe is real bar-y and rustic so far. Let's see, y'all. Got a nice little seat over here. Okay, so my drink came. This is the La Primavera. She got the, what's that? Lavender. Let's try it and see how it is. Hola, mi amores. It's officially our last day. We leave at 3:47 today to get back to Atlanta. So it is 9 something. We're trying to rush to the pool. We go to the pool. I mean, not the pool, to the beach one last time. We're trying to get the beach in one last time before we go. See if we can spend an hour and a half there, and then come back and get ready to go because we're already packed up. And this is my bikini for the day. Icon swim. I don't know where I got these pants from. It comes with a little shirt to go over it, but I don't know where it's at. So this is it. I know this mirror is not the best. Why would they give you a full length mirror with all this shit on here? But we about to go there. We're rushing, so I'm gonna check with y'all. So we at the beach, y'all. And it's pretty early. The waves are kind of big right now. Like niggas literally surfing and everything. So I think I'm gonna go in there and get my ass pulled out by the fucking water. So I'm sit over here with my toes in the sink. And I'm just getting this last little positivity moment. And trying to get the good vibes and energy from the water. And then we're gonna go back home, y'all. Back up and leave. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm gonna leave soon and then yeah. Okay, so we're finally leaving now. We're at the airport. And I wanna go. Y'all don't ever put y'all ticket on skip line because these motherfuckers got my bag going to Florida and I'm trying to go to Atlanta. So now I'm stressed about how to get my bags back. But overall, the trip was good. I just gotta figure out how to get my bags back now. Once I think about my bags. But I booked with them. But yeah, y'all, the trip was lit. We went to the beach and then we just took everything back and came to the airport and checked in. Now we're getting on the boat. I will check with y'all next time. Thanks for tuning in.